Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the repair kit to repair your tools in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes your tool needs to be repaired with the repair kit. For example, this bird scanner. I need to repair this to use it to capture the bird. And if you want to repair your tool, of course, you need to have the repair kit first, and you can craft the repair kit on the crafting table. Okay, I'm going to go to my crafting table. Okay, you can click on this icon, and then you can craft the repair kit. Okay, and I'm going to use the repair kit to repair my scanner. So we can equip the tool that we want to repair and open the backpack and then select the repair kit, and then you can click on use. Okay, and then the tool will be repaired. Yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can repair any tool using the repair kit in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.